you are a trader or you work online, you sit on your laptop maybe for 2, 3, 4 hours watching your screen or even pressing your phone, then this video is for you. Come closer, let's talk. Now, I want to call our attention to things we are not looking at, okay? Because we are on a journey that will take us like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 years, or more or less 10 to 50 years. And when we realize it, it might be late. Are you aware that this lifestyle poses health risks to you? Okay? In case you are not aware, if you find yourself in this particular area, it means that you are immobile, you are not active. Okay? For most of us that sit from 7 o'clock till 10, 6, depending on how long you sit on your system, you have a risk of either growing fat or developing other health challenges. Okay, one of the things I want to encourage all of us in watching this video is make sure you engage in exercise. Okay, for me, gym is not flex. I have a friend who, anytime he sees me doing anything that will benefit my health, he will tell me, if you like, do anything you want to do, last you will die. Okay, but that is not to discourage me, because I know that so far you are not overly active, so far you are not active that you sit for a long time, then you need stuff that will help your blood circulation. Okay, gym exercise helps your blood circulation. Most of you, or most of us that are used to driving, you will observe that you don't trek anymore. In fact, you see trekking for the poor. You don't consider that trekking has a way of improving your lifestyle. Okay, I will encourage you, learn how to trek or engage or register in any gym center around you. Engage in physical exercise. It will help your blood circulation and will reduce your risk of developing any health condition, so that you will not make this money and spend it on treating your health. When they say health is wealth, they are not lying. Whenever you have any health challenge, then you will understand that you need this health to achieve any of your dreams. Okay, so continue to make sure you pay attention to your health, eat good food, make sure you are active by engaging in exercise or any other activity that will help your blood circulation. Okay, so that's what I want to tell you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly click the subscribe button and also follow me, so that when next I make videos that will benefit you, then you'll be among the people that will see it first. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye.